In this video, we will take a look at Google Slides and how to add a link to a product image. Here I've already created a presentation board, and all we need to do is add a couple of links to the products. If you click on the link currently, nothing happens. You can just move it around, resize it, whatever you want to do to it, move it around the page. But I'm going to put it back. Now, if you go to the website where that product is listed, make sure you're clicked on the right color. Copy the link above, copy, click on that image again, click on the Insert Link button, and paste the link into the box and hit Apply. Now if a client comes to click on it, it'll redirect you straight to that tile website. I am going to show you again with a different tile. Copy the link, insert link, paste, apply. Now everything on this page should have a product link. This is both useful for the client and the builder. You can also share with the client or builder. Up on the right-hand side, hit share, and you can enter their email addresses, and they will be able to open up your presentation board and be able to click on all of the links. Hopefully this has been pretty straightforward. Please subscribe for more interior design related content.